Hey guys, I'm back. I'm today be showing you guys how to get long-lasting curls. I bought this new curling iron and it gave me like the best curls. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get those curls. You can get this on Amazon, of course, because you guys always know I buy stuff from Amazon. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get long-lasting curls. So let's get into it. Okay, first I'm just gonna add some heat protecting serum in my hair. Okay, now I'm just gonna part my hair with this claw clip. Okay, I think it's hot now. I'm gonna show you guys how I curl it. I just take one part and I Okay, this side is done. We're gonna move on to this side. Okay, I let down the other parts and now we're just gonna do the same thing. Okay, we're almost done. We just have to do this part. Now I'm gonna go in with this Tresemme Keratin Smooth Blowout Finishing Hairspray. I just bought this, so this is my first time trying this out, so yeah. Okay, these are the curls. Let me get in closer. I'm telling you, like when I curled my hair yesterday, like the curls were still there. Like in the morning, like the curling iron is no joke. These are very like long-lasting curls. Anyways, thanks for watching this tutorial and keep up for more.